Okay, so we're gonna open up the Disneyland 65th anniversary, all the trains.
On the Casey.
So we're gonna open.
Hey everyone, it's day 9.
Yep, December 9th.
December 9, the Advent Calendar of Funko, Freddy Funko Advent Calendar. Bite-sized hero. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, I had therapy this morning. But,
You're sore? Or any something?
yeah.
Oh, she was.
Andy. Okay, there.
No? You need to push.
Oh my god.
Give me it.
It is.
You got it?
I'm weak.
This is her physical therapy right now.
Well, they overwork me. Okay. Very good. Oh! Okay, there's a crown.
Okay. Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
What do you think?
I don't know.
There's an all white one right there. We did get an all gold. Maybe it's not. Another
What's
elf.
that one?
Maybe it's another elf.
Oh, there's a gift.
A gift?
Who has a gift? It's an elf.
It's an elf?
Oh, I think.
Oh no, it's not an elf. He doesn't have elf ears. He's just a person. Maybe he's packing. Oh here. Maybe this one? He's packing the present.
This one?
Yeah. He's packing the presents. Shipping the present right there. Okay, let's pause and then we can zoom in on him. Or use our turntable. Okay. And let's turn on the turntable. She really likes
She's
the
smiling.
She's smiling. Oh wait, it's blurry.
She's licking.
Okay, wait, he's not there yet.
She's licking. Are you smiling, Andy?
So it's a Freddy with a present.
You like my Freddy? Oh.
Well, we're gonna do something with the Christmas tree in a little bit. So I guess he can put a present under the Christmas tree. So green shirt, red pants,
Gold crown.
gold crown, and white friend. Oh, wait, we need to fix these up. They all knocked down.
Oh, you could. We alternate. Okay.
Alternate.
Yeah, because they're already 9.
Okay, was it like this? Drummer boy? Yeah. And then it was sled guy, elf guy, gold guy, and now, what happened?
No, because they're all on here. There we go.
Andy's looking. His head's turned. Okay, so we're gonna pause and we're gonna do the rest of the video. And pause. Okay, so we're gonna open up the Disneyland 65th anniversary, all the trains.
On the Casey.
So we're gonna open.
We're gonna build a train so we could decorate it. So
Ronald,
we're gonna.
Goofy, Mickey, Pluto, Dumbo, and Minnie at the Disneyland resort.
Donald was 1. I think we had a video when we got him
In Amazon?
in Amazon with no protector.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna take him out, and we're gonna put him under our tree. The decoration.
There we go. So he's from Amazon. There we go.
Okay, turntable. And let's see, let's turn this down. Zoom in.
She's watching.
Look at that face. I didn't know he had a face.
Huh?
I didn't know the train had a face. Very cute. So this is the hook. Where you hook them up. Okay. So the second one, I guess I could turn that on. Is who is it again? Goofy.
Oh, we have to be. Where's the? No, I have to find that.
This is goofy. Should I pause?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna pause. We need to find our tool to open the box. Okay, we couldn't find our tool, so we're using a Starbucks gift card. To open it.
Okay, so. But it's hard. We have to loosen it up before.
And then slide
Well,
it
it's a
out.
Funko shop limited. I think it got sold out right away.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so maybe that's why it got sold out. This one came with. There's two of them together.
Really?
Forgot. Is it Goofy? I think.
This is Goofy.
Oh, the Pluto.
Oh, Pluto? Oh, wait.
Okay.
Let me stop it for you.
Yeah,
That
it
is
got sold out
cute.
right away.
Oh,
So
oh, there's the hook. Okay, let him turn. Very cute. So cute. Well, at least Pluto and Goofy came together. Are they red? Oh no, there's Mickey in between them. Okay, so how
That's
do we
cute.
do it? So you just... Oh, that's easy. You just hooks right there. Okay, next one. Oh, here we go. Let's see if this guy's hard to... Oh, what is he from? Oh, he's a common.
it's a comment. I think we got him from Amazon.
Amazon?
I think it's one of the video. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
maybe if it's from Funko, it's just...
Is it another? So no, this one that. Oh, ketchup. Like one of the. And there we go. I think it's the end of there. Came from
He's his ball. Oh, this
Amazon, but not an exclusive. It's a common.
Very cute. He has a horse. He holding on to the horse?
Oh,
Like the rain?
Uh-huh.
Oh, he is. So far, their paint job's pretty good. There, you know how there's some
Uh-huh.
pops that.
They're
But...
very, like detailed.
Oh wait, man, he's a little smudge right here. Never mind. I jinxed
He's
it.
funky, jinx it.
Okay, who's next now? So he goes right here. Does it matter what order? Actually, because if they just hook like that, I thought maybe it was something. Because
Are we just following one?
I was just following what was on the back of the box.
But
So-
it looks good, maybe the way.
Right
Okay.
here, this is the order. I mean, I think maybe Minnie has to be in the back. I don't know. Maybe she doesn't have a any part. But let's see. This is Pluto.
Pluto, and it's so that's why it's both Goofy and Pluto came out this at the Funko shop. So
Okay, let's see if he's hard. Is he tucked in
I
there?
seems like there's something
Yeah?
that I think that with the box it's catching on one
Made the other one?
again.
Andy, what's happening with Funko Shop with this?
Stop. We have to do. Did you stop it?
Oh, you want me to stop? Okay, I'll
Yeah.
stop. Awesome. We got it open. We're
a lot
making
of doing.
terrible.
Okay, so here's Pluto. Oh, and then we have the Christmas Pluto.
Oh yeah, we just took a picture of her. I mean, maybe a few hours ago, I took a picture of her with the holiday one. It was from also Amazon subscription box. Oh, this is Funko. Okay, so this is Pluto with his tongue out. Look at that.
Oh, he's cute.
There we go. This
Oh,
a
the
lullaby?
rotation makes her sleepy. Oh.
Okay, so that's him. I don't know if you'll see it. He goes in.
Maybe. There we go.
Okay, next is Dumbo. Oh, he's also a Funko.
Yeah. That's it.
Geez, they got 3 Funkos in here. Funko
And but
shop.
this one came with,
So what
with
happens
the
you
Dumbo.
what happens you didn't complete it?
Yeah, that's
You
why.
have to really get there.
And then this one came with the purple Dumbo together. They're sold out too.
Is the purple over there?
No, that one is there. Just I put it out there. We're gonna open them up.
Oh, okay. So we'll do the. Oh, we'll check with him.
Okay, just another.
You want to pause it? Okay,
yeah,
we'll pause because it's been. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. We have to use actually a credit card this time.
Because he's catching on here on that side. Okay.
Don't crease it. Don't crease it. Don't.
Oh, it's moving down.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Slide it out. Don't bend it.
No, so at least we could. There we go. Okay.
Okay, Dumbo is really cute. Let's see. He's so cute. Let's turn it on. He might be my favorite. Out of all of them, he might be my favorite.
Oh, the Dumbo.
He looks
Smiling.
he looks so cute. Okay, and turn this on, and then we'll do.
So when you do the thumbnails, put in the down and then all them.
I already got the thumbnail
Oh, which one?
of this.
Oh.
Okay.
But you could do.
We could do another picture. Okay, so this is Minnie. Oh yeah, oh no, she doesn't need to be at the end. Oh, maybe what happens they have other ones because she has a.
At the end.
She has an N. Okay, so this is the last one. It's a Minnie Mouse, and she's an Amazon exclusive. Wait, so 2 Amazon exclusives?
Which one? No,
no.
The other one, the Mickey is Amazon, but it's not exclusive.
What about the Donald?
The Donald is not.
Oh,
Come
yeah,
on, but I got them in Amazon.
Oh. So you got like 3 Funko exclusive, and then a Amazon exclusive. So we got lucky then.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, open.
Let's see first. Where's
Well,
your... Oh, no.
What?
You credit?
Oh, okay, then we'll pause since we're using a credit card. Okay.
We pre-pop it. Pop the end part.
Slowly. And slide her out. Okay, here is Minnie. So see, look, she has a hook and another.
You could still put something.
You can put another one, or so she doesn't need to be in the bag.
So just in case you only you didn't complete it. But the
So him and Mickey and Donald are common. Okay, we just dropped the box.
It's okay. That's gonna be a heirloom.
Okay.
Not gonna
So
be.
let's see. I think she has a little bit. Some.
Okay.
Wait. Where's my focus? There. She has some white marks, white spots. But she's cute too. Well, she's like same as like Goofy. Coming out. Very cute. Hold them waving. Okay, maybe not Dumbo. He's not waving. Pluto, he has his paws out there. Okay, let's pause and then we'll put him around our
Christmas. And this Christmas tree.
Yeah, this one right here. We were able to take it out today. We've been like keep saying it, but we finally got this Christmas tree out of the box. Okay, so
That's our Christmas tree.
we're gonna put him in. I think it was Goofy. There we go. Are you inspecting each one?
And again, there we go.
And then I think it was Mickey. Andy, you're in the way.
Andy.
And then Pluto, I think. Yeah, Pluto. I think. Look at the box. Is it Pluto or is it Dumbo? Wait, let me.
Oh, Pluto, Dumbo, and then Minnie.
Okay, let me see. Can I get it? Okay, got it. And then Dumbo. She's in the way.
Andy.
She's like, I did my spot, not their spot.
Okay, let me.
Well, you can see part of it.
Andy, let him. Come on, hey,
Here.
come in.
No, you don't want to move.
She's okay.
She's like,
okay, here.
okay. Are you behind the camera too now?
Yeah,
Okay.
there we go. Oh, look at it. Oh.
So here they are.
Look at it.
Here's the Christmas
Look
tree.
at it. It's your Christmas tree. There we go.
Cutie.
There we go.
Here we go. Oh, kissies.
That one.
Okay, very cute.
Check on that Donald. Check on Donald. Where's Donald? Check Donald. Okay, check.
No, she's not. Nah. Okay. And